Hello and welcome to this 17th Algorithm Selection and Development lecture, Mastering in this course, Mastering Artificial Intelligence. So in this lecture, we will talk about how to train random forest algorithm for getting feature importance. And we talked about the decision tree model in the last lecture. So how do you think you can train random forest algorithm to get feature importance? You would have got some hang of how to use the scikit-learn library in the Python, right? Right. So we will again use the scikit-learn Python library in Python, and using which you can train as well as extract important features. And what are the steps? Let's take a look at the steps, including the commands that you need to give. So first thing what you need to do is to import the libraries. And there are two simple commands that you have here that you can take a look at it in the PDF file and use them later on to import the scikit-learn library for training random forest algorithm to get the feature importance. Having imported, then you need to load your data set. And again, there are simple commands that you see here where you can load your data set with an X and Y, X becoming the features and Y becoming the target variable. So you load this data set using these simple commands. Then you train the random forest model using again the commands that you see here. And here you can adjust the number of trees and fit the model into the program, right? Then get the feature importance using the scores, extract feature importance command, and then you can either print or visualize this feature importance again using the command that we are showing you here. Optionally, you can also use this visualize feature importance command. This will plot a bar chart showing the importance of each feature, and you can customize the visualization further according to your preferences. Then you start once having visualize the scores, you can interpret the results uh, to understand which features are more important for the model. Higher values indicate more important features, while lower values indicate less important feature. Random forest calculates feature importance by averaging the decrease in impurity over all trees in the forest versus the tree in which it is only within the tree itself. So it is a averaging function that it takes. Therefore, the feature importance scores represent the overall importance of each feature across all trees in the forest. So having looked at how to train random forest algorithm for getting a feature importance, what do we do next? We look at last one to talk about is the gradient boosting machines. So we will look at in the next lecture how to train gradient boosting machine algorithm for getting importance feature. So thank you so much for watching this 17th Algorithm Selection and Development lecture in this course, Master in Artificial Intelligence. I hope you're continuing to learn new things, continuing to enjoy, and I do look forward to see you again in the next lecture. Please feel free to message me if you have any questions, and also download the PDF file to take a look at anything, or look at specifically the commands that I took you through, and also use these commands for training the algorithms.